Want to know why you're blowing up your portfolios? Hey guys, this is Hamza with Trading Secrets. I've been trading for the last 20 years. Stocks, crypto, real estate, merchandise, you name it, I've done it. I know you hit the intro. I hit it more than you guys, but I got to do it, guys, because I'm a new channel. I don't have a choice, guys. Guys, click on the subscribe button. What are you waiting for? Like, seriously, what are you waiting for, guys? Click on it, guys. All right, guys. I've watched till the end because I'm going to tell you some secrets on how you can grow your real estate portfolio with as less as $20,000. Right? That's, you heard it, guys. It's a free consult that you can book. No strings attached. You can make a lot of money, guys. Real estate has made the most millionaires in the whole world. I want to help you. I've done it. I want to help you do it, guys. Let's move to the topic. Guys, the real reason you're blowing up your accounts is not what you think. It's not because you're bad. It's because your mindset is not right. You know, you're not controlling your bad habits. The risks, you're risking too much on one trade. You're just trading without any rules, right? You're thinking like every setup's gonna win, but it's not. You're gonna lose, right? There's no risk. There's no stop losses. There's no structure. It's just impulse buying, right? You're just trying to make your losses, and then in the process, you're just losing more and more and more. And then a couple of wins that come your way, you just got overconfident, right? It happens to me, happens to everybody. The market is gonna humble you, right? The market will humble you. You're trading for excitement. You're just not trading for consistency. You're just having this dopamine rush, and it's just messing with you all, guys. It's just messing with you all. You don't want to do that. You got to track your trades, because otherwise the account blowouts, they're going to happen, because it's not bad strategy, it's bad habits, right? Even if you have the best strategy, but bad habits, you're going to blow out your accounts. You got to replace your impulse with discipline, guys, with discipline, good habits. And then, as I say, you're repeating the same habit again and again. A good habit, you practice, and it's going to become a habit, right? And then you're going to be set in your ways, right? That's gonna be a start to managing your risk correctly. Guys, your account is gonna grow gradually. It's not gonna happen overnight. It's a process. Guys, trust in the process, right? Don't worry about the short-term results. Trust in the process, guys. The results will follow. Guys, if you found any value in the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, and make sure to check out the link below and book a free consult with me, guys, because this is an opportunity of a lifetime that I want you guys to avail. I made a promise to myself that I'm not going to charge my viewers anything. I'm going to keep my promise that I made to myself. I'm going to be honest to myself. I'm going to be honest to you all. I'm going to do it right by you all. I want you guys to succeed, guys. I want you guys to succeed, and trust me, you guys can do it. So book your free consult. Let's talk.